Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add age verification in WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to admin it. So first of all, you have to open a website called elf site. So after opening this website, if you're first time here, you have to sign up free. So after signing up, you have to log in into your account. And then click on this add application and search here age verification. And here you will find this option age verification. So you have to click on create widget, and after that here you will find several template to use for you. So I'm going to select this one and then click on continue with this template. And here you have to give minimum age, and verification method you can select from here date of birth, year of birth. So after that I'm going to content, and from here you can change the message, you can change the caption from here, and you can submit, you can change the submit button text from here, you can change the additional info, you can change the logo from here, and here is the logo. And go to style to change the overlay image from here, and you can change the alignment, you can change the shape, you can change the color, you can change the font. So after finishing your editing, click on save. And now you have to select a plan. So I suggest to select light, and this is totally free. Now you have to copy this code, then go to your website page or post where you want to add the age verification. So I'm going to add this verification to my sample page. So I'm going to click on edit page and now click on this add block, and from here select custom HTML and paste your copied code here, update. And now let's see the result. So here you can see age verification has been added. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to admin it. Thanks for watching this video.